Welcome to our virtual open house. Hopefully, this will be the last virtual open house we have to do. But I wanted to say welcome, and it's been a pleasure getting to know your student over the 13 weeks we've had so far. And I just want to go over some information for you very quickly. Tutorials, I am always available during my asynchronous periods. Students are welcome to join in, even if it wasn't their own class period. They can also make an appointment with me, but I'm available to help them. You can check grades in Schoology or in Home Access, just like you always have. And if your student needs to check or correct their homework or bring up a grade, homework is available online through the online textbook. They can always go back and work on homework. There is a late penalty of 15% if they turn it in late. But it's still better to turn it in late and incur that penalty than to have a zero. The one caveat is that I do ask that the students email me after they've turned in late work because it's a little bit of a treasure hunt for me to go back and find it. If there is a quiz that was not a 70, students are welcome to retake a quiz. Ideally, we try and do that within the 1 week of taking the quiz so that the material is mastered before they are going on to other information. Tests do not need to be retaken. However, they do need to do corrections on every single problem they missed. And corrections means they rework the problem, take a picture of their work, and email it to me. And then I will quickly go over that with them during an asynchronous period just to ensure that they really do understand the process for getting their answers. The tests are graded, I don't want to say harshly, but graded in the similar manner that an AP exam would be graded. And an AP exam, if you earn 50% on free response and similar on the multiple choice, they will earn a 3 or a passing grade for college credit. So I want to show them how AP or the College Board will grade their AP exam, but then I don't want to impact their grades in high school. So what I do is apply a curve so the students are aware of how it would have been graded for AP as well as how it is graded for Stony Point High School. I think that summarizes everything. I'm hoping that most of the students will be taking the AP exam in May, that this is an exam that has quite a high passing rate compared to some of the other AP exams. And most degrees now in college require a statistics course. So it is one that is pretty common to earn credit in college if you pass the AP exam. But again, I look forward to the rest of the year with your student. Statistics is a great class, lots of fun stuff, especially in this election year. So lots of good stuff out there. So let me know if you have any questions. You are always welcome to email me, and I look forward to finishing the year with your student.